Hello, it's Misty Ricardo at East Takeaway in Ashton-Under-Lyne again. They've let me back in the kitchen very kindly, and Chef Mohammad is going to show us how he makes the Saag Aloo. So we've got about 3 tablespoons of oil, some garlic, so we're just going slow at first, just to demonstrate what's going on. So we put in garlic, it's just blended garlic. Now we've got some tomato paste, which is tomato puree mixed with water. There we go. He cooks that off, and now he's adding some kasuri methi, salt, mixed powder, so those are cooking off nicely. You've got to get the spices cooked. And now in with the service onions, which I intend to do a post about those at some point. Really, they're cooked in advance for speed, so they can make curry quick. When you've got a lot of customer orders, you've got to cook very quickly. And we've got some fresh tomato. And now the chef's putting in some freshly cooked potatoes. Those have been cooked with turmeric, panchparan salts, and a bit of oil. And there's the prepared spinach, which has been cooked with a few different ingredients. I'll try to put details in the video description. So it's a nice and dry at the moment. You can see it's starting to crust off nicely at the bottom. And now he's going to put some base gravy in. Not much to start with. It's supposed to be a dry curry, this one. The Saag Aloo. I hope the sound's okay on this video. I've got the new microphone on, so fingers crossed. That's looking fantastic. Well, that sort of is left for what, a couple of minutes? Yeah, I mean, it won't take very long. In fact, because of the starch content of the potatoes, it will probably need a bit more stirring than usual. However, you do want it to stick at the bottom and get that nice smoky, sweet flavour. You can see, if I could just move this spoon a bit, thank you. You see on the edges, you've got nice caramelisation going on. That's going to be scraped back into the dish. Really a nice smoky flavour. And now just a bit more base gravy. Yeah, that sizzling, that crackling sound, lovely. Got fresh coriander. It may look a little bit burnt, but it's not really. That really has a lot of flavour. And we're done. So we'll come back in a short while and have a bit of a taste. Okay. look at this. Doesn't that look good? Right, this is a side dish, isn't it? It's on the side dish section of the menu, rather than being served as a main, so that's a very generous side dish portion. Let's try a little bit of that potato. Oh, smells absolutely divine. I know a lot of vegetarian people, or even non-veg people, who absolutely love this dish. There we go, that's a bit of everything, I think. Let's have a taste. It's very hot. Very tasty. Yeah, that's a winner. Thank you for watching.